Unsay naa sa bukid and why do I always keep coming back? If that is a question, for sure, ako asad pangutano ng akong self. Why do I always find time sa pagbisita sa bukid? And that question made me realize nga all I wanted is peace. And my first reason is, there is silence and stillness. Ug naa ka sa kabukiran, layo ka sa kasaba. Not literally kasaba sa palibot, pero apil na ang kasamok sa kinabuhi. Sa bukid, makabati ka sa kahilom ug kalinaw. Second, in the mountain you will appreciate the natural beauty of nature. You will feel grateful ug mas mapasalamaton ka sa tanang maanindot nga imong nakita ug na-experience. The endless horizon, the green landscapes, ang kalabong sa kakahuyan. It creates a calming atmosphere that suits the mind. Third is the mindfulness. The experience of being with nature encourages mindfulness, helping us to be present in the moment and appreciate the simplicity of life. Sa bukid, mas ma-realize nimo how simple life is and we need to enjoy it. Ma-feel nimo that you are living in the present without worrying of the future and without minding the past. Fourth is isolation. The remoteness of the mountain allows for a break from the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. Kinahanglan nato ang pag-unwind ug ang pagpahuway. Ang kabukiran will provide us our much needed escape and we deserve that. Fifth is our perspective. Ang kalapad ug kadako sa kabukiran will remind us ug unsa kagamay ug ka-easy sa atong struggles and problems. The mountain will remind us of the beauty of our life and how amazing it is to be alive every day. Mas makaila ka sa imong self when you recharge and find inner peace in the mountains. As the sun begins to dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, I take a moment to express gratitude for the peace I find here, for the beauty of nature, and for the opportunity to step away and simply be. Eventually, as twilight descends, I make my way back, carrying with me the tranquility of the mountains. Each weekend retreat fills me with renewed energy, ready to face whatever the week may bring. And with every visit, I am reminded that amidst life chaos, there's always a serene refuge waiting for me in the embrace of the mountains of Oslo.
There are places I remember all my life.